What's up, YouTube? This is Royals Fan 1983. Um, this is I got a box of Upper Deck Ovations today, a hobby box. This is actually my first official hobby box that I've ever opened myself. RBI 27. I did one with them a month ago, and that was my first official ever hobby box I ever done myself. So let's see what we can get. We got this really good deal on uh, Atlanta sports cards. They're $23 on the weekends plus shipping. But not too bad. I'm gonna take my time a little bit more because I haven't ever opened anything like this before. So I'll show you guys the hits or rookies, whatever I get in these packs. These are pretty nice designs. Oh man, I got my first autograph already. Um, Spotlight signatures, Freddie Sanchez. I think he's a pretty good player. I think pretty nice autograph. But I like that. Cards are really cool. So there's my first autograph. I think there's only 2 hits per box. So hopefully I don't get the first two packs. Nothing on that one. Got a Ovation Nation, Miguel Cabrera, not numbered, and decoy. Derek Jeter, this base. Sorry I'm taking so long, guys. Um, Superstar Theater, Miguel Tejada, not numbered. I actually like these cards. It's not bad for $23 plus shipping. Oh, I have to get some more. Albert Pujols base. Rookie card of Josh Johnson. 969 out of 999 rookie card. Base. Just watching the Texas Rangers versus Tampa Bay, sorry. Base. Hopefully this doesn't go over 10 minutes long. Base. Says at least 6 ovation limited inserts per box too, so that's probably what this is. Michael Young, curtain calls, not numbered. Base. 18 packs per box. Freddie Sanchez, curtain calls. The Freddie Sanchez box, I guess. Hold on. Base. I know probably people could probably do this quicker than I can. But this is my first box break. It's gonna take a little while. Base. Center stage. Hernandez for the Royals. So nice for my PC. I don't know if that guy ever. I don't think that guy ever made it. Four more packs left. Still one jersey to get. Pretty sure that's what the box says. I saw base. Jersey card is Johnny Gomes. Ovation Apparel. It's pretty nice. Base. So I think that's all the hits I get. I think it's 2 hits per box. So. Base. That's only part of the box. There I go, base. Miguel Cabrera, center stage. Base. And is that it? Well, that's the last pack, guys. So, alright, everything is for sale or trade. So, hopefully I'll have another box because that was pretty fun. So, talk to you guys later. Hope you guys have a good week.